Good afternoon and happy beginning of school year. My name is Mrs. Johnson and I am an exceptional children's teacher here at the Health Sciences Academy at Monroe Middle School. I come to you with a wealth of education and over 20 years of school experience in public schools. I teach reading, math, and writing skills, and I am excited to teach your child academic skills and give them the extra help that they need to reach their highest potential. I expect for all of my students to come to school prepared and ready to learn, whether it be virtual or in class, in person teaching. If you have any questions or concerns at any time, feel free to contact me at Monroe Middle School. I declare that this year will be a fantastic year. Have a great day.